The concrete pump is equipment specifically designed for efficiently transporting concrete. It lacks its own power source and needs to be towed by a truck or trailer to move. Upon arrival at the construction site, it continuously pumps concrete to the designated pouring point through externally connected pipelines. As a critical device connecting concrete mixer trucks to the final pouring site, it significantly enhances the efficiency and scope of concrete construction. Its core working principle involves a hydraulically driven two-cylinder reciprocating operation, which includes the following processes: suction, pushing, alternating cycles, and pipeline transportation.